Hey, let's do this Snow Day by Shame. That's the main riff at the beginning of the song, like for the first minute and like 45 seconds. But the chords that are implied are G sharp minor and C sharp minor, right? But they're playing that riff, and that is simply open E. Okay, and then we hammer onto the 4th fret, and then we pick the B string open. And we do the same, very similar riff on the A string, and we pluck the open E string, the high E. Right, and this song is in C sharp minor. All right, so the song is in a minor key. It's for about 1:40 seconds. Okay, the next part is where he's like, and everything comes together at once. I think it's being played with power chords, so it's hard to hear what's major or minor, but F sharp is definitely major. I think B is minor, and then E is major. That's what's being played during that section. Very heavy, and breaks the rhythm of the song. Alright, and then that goes to about 2 minutes and 18 seconds. B section. Then we go back to C sharp minor. And then one of the guitars is playing something like this out of the 9th fret is your C sharp minor pentatonic. So I think this is being played B string at the 11, G string at the 10, and then bend the G string. Those are just C sharp minor pentatonic licks being played in that section, and it's just one chord, C, stabs on this C sharp minor. The next section is kind of important. Goes C sharp minor to F sharp major. So he's saying something about in my mind. And then a lot of I hear this riff being played. It's high E at 18 and 19. Starts on 19. And then B on 19. 19, 18, 19 on the B. And then you can play the 17 on the B. Second day. And you can play those C sharp minor riffs too. More towards the end, it's like just starts rocking out. C sharp minor. F sharp major. All right, very cool song. That was by request, so thank you for the request, and have fun playing that.